Hi everybody, this is Christy. And this is my forehead. I like to put makeup over my face. This I gotta put many color. So this is how beautiful I am. This I put this the purple pencil or something over on my eye. See, I put my finger over it. So now I use a brush. Try to go a little bit on the corner. So now I gotta go over with all the purple and orange something into my eye. So you gotta make sure it's look pretty like this. So she go around your eye, and now I use a color called brown. Alright, so let's go over again. Alright, now I use another pencil to get the black part. So now I'm gonna use the brush to go over. Make sure I don't have a black eye. So I use a brush again to brush the black part. So now I don't know what is this called, but it's called Rong Lu makeup. And now you see I put a little bit on my eyelash. To me, my eyelash look like white. So you guys see the one I cut circle on here is kind of like white, something like that, but I don't know what actually the color is. So let's put the brush over to make sure it's look pretty. So I gotta make sure it look even mixed with the color. So now I use my hand to make sure to go over my eye one more time. So I don't know why I use the brush again to clean every dirty part, and then I get a little bit to my corner eye. So now I use what is called armor, something like this. I don't know where I get this from, but try to go over my eyelash. And now gonna go for the bottom part. And I can see the color down here. Alright, try to go a little longer on this side, so it look like you have a long eyelash. Let's go a little over so they won't know it. So now I'm gonna put the eyelash over. I actually ordered this eyelash. So now I gotta put the lipstick on. So I gotta make sure put a little pretty one. I actually don't know what color is it, but I'm gonna try to put the color on. So I gotta make sure they even. Cause my lid is not really even. So now I'm gonna contour my face and use the brush again. So this is how pretty I am after everything I put it on. If you guys like it, describe down there, and I'll do more makeup voiceover for you guys. Bye.